I'm Heather from the Nocatee Welcome Center, and it's Walkthrough Wednesday, and I'm thrilled to be with my good friend Kelly of ICI Homes, and she's actually going to introduce one of our new co-workers.
And this is Chris Shaw.
Chris Shaw!
Hey guys, I'm Chris Shaw. I'm with ICI Homes here in Nocatee.
Well,
have a good day.
We're thrilled you're here.
Thank you very much.
You got to compete with this one now, because we're in the settlement at 20 Mile, and as everyone knows, the settlement is quickly selling out. So we're thrilled that ICI Homes has a quick move-in that you guys can buy now.
Yes.
So let's get out of the way, because I want Carly to show this front.
Yeah, so Heather, this is actually our quick move-in, school-ready, our Palisade, 2,500 square feet. It's actually a 5-bedroom, 3-bath, and it has the most amazing lot here in the settlement.
It really
it's a nice,
does.
Wide lot, so it's perfect, very private.
Here, let's go inside. Beautiful, it's a solid door. We've got the beautiful side lights on either side.
Yeah, so you walk in this beautiful home, this is just a wow factor. And when you walk in over to your right, you'll have your guest bedroom, or you could use it as an office. The one great thing is it does have the closet, so it is a bedroom.
Oh. And I like that they put a bedroom in the front, converted this to a bedroom, but again, as Kelly said, this being an office, one thing that really stuck to me is, Carly, when you come out, you've got this amazing full bath. And I told Kelly, I've got some good friends that live here in Nocatee, and the husband actually has to wake up early before his wife, and then he can actually shower in this front shower, this front bathroom, and he doesn't disturb his family. To me, that's a huge selling factor.
Or if you're coming back from the beach, because we're only 4.5 miles, you can rinse everybody off in that shower right there. But then you walk into the heart of the home, and Heather, this is amazing. You have your kitchen that flows into your dining area and your gathering space, and then look at that view outside. It is just gorgeous. Wow. And those are actually pocket doors, so they slide all the way. We just left it open so you could see, but they slide all the way open. That is perfect if you wanted to screen it in. But I also want to show you, Carly, look over to the left is our laundry room. And we know Heather loves laundry rooms, so Heather, what do you think?
Okay, I'm going to be honest. I love this laundry room. It's wide. You've got even a linen closet within it. I promise you, it is not small at all. And to be honest, you could even put a desk over in one of the areas.
And it's also got plumbed for a laundry basin and sink.
See, I like that you did that.
Yeah.
And you didn't put it in. ICI did not put it in because they want you to pick out your own. This gives you a lot of flexibility because the builder chose not to put it in for you.
That's right. And with our incentives going on right now, you can use some of those incentive dollars to add that laundry sink.
I love that.
We are a gas community, so you will see we have the 36-inch cooktop, which is a great size. You have the 5 burners. And then,
let's show the drawer, Carly. As Kelly goes around, I just want to show, I love the deep drawers. So
aren't those great, those pots and pan drawers? And then, look at this. Everybody loves the pull-out drawers, which just makes it really nice when you have stuff tucked back. And then, of course, we have this really great pantry that actually uses all the space underneath the stairs, so it makes it really usable.
And walk-in pantry. We're not going in everything because this is such a big house, but a huge sitting area. And I want you to come around, Carly, because now in this massive space, I don't know my square foot, but this is a huge, huge, huge space. You can do, because they didn't just do a small eating area, you can do a huge long table, easily fit 12 people, but also you can put your television on the left wall, for example, and everybody is being entertained. So you can throw those football parties, or for our friends from the north, yes, you can throw your hockey parties here, get your package, but I want to go outside.
Yes, let's go outside.
Okay, Kelly, I want you to just go ahead and tell people, so you think these lots, oh, they're not going to be big. They're not going to be big.
False. This is humongous.
This is huge. Do you see?
Heather's going to run. She's running. She's running.
Look how
she's running. Keep going. Keep going.
Like, I'm scared.
She's... And you know what's really great about this is all of this is protected preservation. So this view will never change. She got her workout for today. Yay!
Yeah. I forgot I had pulled my leg yesterday, running, so that was funny. But this is, I promise you, please, please, please call Kelly today, because to me, this is one of the biggest yards in 20 miles.
Yes, definitely.
And we have some estate lots, folks. So this backyard, I am not exaggerating. Please, please, please come and see it.
It's huge.
It's huge.
Perfect if you wanted a pool, the outdoor space, anything.
Yes.
Yep. If you wanted to make a football field for your football parties, You
You know what? I wish, and again, Chris, we should have done this earlier, throwing a football. I would love to know the length, you know, going long ways, like we took like a ruler, because it is so
Well, you know, and what's really great,
So
Heather,
deep.
is the houses on each side, their lanais look the opposite way.
Yes.
So it's super private. And like I said, this is protected preservation, so
Yes.
your view will never change.
See,
So
and I
it is
love that. I'm
amazing.
glad you pointed that out. So even with your next door neighbors, you're going to become friends with them, but everybody, including your neighbors, has their own privacy.
That's right. And then it's also rough plumbed for your outdoor kitchen. So you have your gas stub out and your pre-plumbed for the water. So you can really make this an amazing place to call your home.
It's beautiful. This floor plan really is one
Yeah,
of
so
my
this is the
favorites.
Palisade,
Oh, yeah.
2,600 square feet. And then let's take a look over at the master, because that's really important as well. So in our owner suite, you're going to have this beautiful cathedral ceiling, and all of our rooms are actually going to be pre-wired for a fan light switch. So that's really helpful, especially in the floor.
And
And you have the can lights.
Having that cathedral ceiling, it really makes this room appear even larger.
It does. And then look at the view
Oh,
outside. which
show
is
the picture
gorgeous.
window. These windows are so stunning. I'm very jealous. I wish I had one. Again, another thing I
Yeah,
put on
but
my
you know,
list of things I want.
it's nice because these are super energy efficient, and if you touch these windows in the middle of the heat of the day, they're cool to the touch. So you have two operable windows, the one picture window, and then let's take a look. We want to definitely check out this space.
Oh,
So you have your owner suite with the transom windows, so you do get in some of those natural light.
beautiful natural light. And then the closet, it is a very large walk-in closet. And tell us about that shelf at the top.
So that is called a luggage rack, but most of our friends use it for storage because it's a good place to store some of your heavier bins, your sweaters, your jackets. Just makes it nice to have some extra storage.
And Kelly, I love this vanity. Look, we could put a great chair right here. I love
Yes,
the
the
drawer.
drawers, yeah.
I love that.
And then
Lots of
the
space.
granite actually makes it very romantic looking too.
It does. And Carlin, you'll back up because I'm going to show this beautiful frameless shower.
Yes, so look at this beautiful frameless shower, and then this is a nice size shower. And of course you have the bench and the shampoo niche, which is always a favorite.
And
storage. A nice gracious linen closet.
I love that it has a linen closet.
Yeah.
Because again, reminding people, not all floor plans have linen closets. It's a fact. And so I love that this one does. So far we have seen this incredible backyard, this great entertaining space. And I want to remind people, we are in 20 Mile, specifically the settlement at 20 Mile. And one of the favorite things about this neighborhood, Kelly, is you have that beautiful pond in the dead center. So you're either only going to live on the pond or the preserve.
That's right.
So we're so fortunate we're on that preserve lot. But that's a huge selling feature to this particular community. But the last time Kelly and I were filming, one of the things she was telling me is if, you know, with some of her residents, they are dog owners. And what's nearby, Kelly?
The 20 Mile Post is walking distance. So you have the dog park, the agility, what is it? The
The
big
agility
dogs?
course for small and large
Yeah.
dogs. So you've got that within walking distance, and also, yes, as Kelly pointed out, you can have, wait, let's pause. I want to show you the linen closet. Linen closet, linen closet. But as we go through these three beautiful bedrooms up here, I just want to continue. Let's go to this far one real quick, just so we can talk about 20 Mile Park. And yes, as Kelly was pointing out, we have this massive, massive backyard, and it really is massive. That's the correct word
Yes.
for it. And you can put a pool in. However, you really don't need to, because 20 Mile Park has an incredible pool, another dog parks, playgrounds, green space, permanent restrooms, and that's all within the confounds of 20 Mile, and it's just incredible.
It is. It's a great place. And the settlement has 101 home sites, so it's a nice intimate community as well.
And that's been a huge selling feature for all of 20 Miles, these small, intimate neighborhoods.
Yeah.
And we are on the northeast corner of Nocatee in St. Johns County. And as Kelly pointed out, one of the other big selling points is you can ride your bike or walk on a sidewalk the whole way to the beach,
Yeah.
less than 4.5 miles. Okay, this is incredible, Kelly. Let's talk about these bedrooms.
Isn't this amazing? So this is one of our bedrooms upstairs, of course. You're gonna have the 9-foot ceilings, but look at this beautiful balcony. It's like being on a plantation in the middle of Florida. It's just such a
totally breathe out
gorgeous,
here.
yeah.
Oh, feel that breeze.
Yeah.
So you
Feels
do,
it.
you always
You're
get that beach breeze out here.
That's
It's just
absolutely
gorgeous.
correct. Absolutely. And I really, you can go out here, Carly. This is it really is long. So if you do have a teenager, let's say, or you yourself just want to entertain up here, you can really put a beautiful round table right here, some chairs around it. You know, you put some rockers up here, Adirondacks, whatever you choose. Here, we'll go back in. But now this door is leading to that loft, that original loft.
Yeah, so this loft actually is wired. So we are a smart home. So we have the Nest thermostat, and then we have the wire for cable and all of the kids' electronics and video games.
See, I love that. And the huge, huge space. So again, we are with ICI Homes. They are been with the Nocatee family for many, many years now. And you all know Kelly. I need you to call her today because this house will not be on the market anytime further. And of course, you're now going to recognize Chris. We're going to do a video with him soon, I hope.
I'll see you in a couple of weeks.
Yes. So again, we are with ICI Homes. Do the square footage one more time.
So it's 2565 square feet, 5-bedroom, 3-bath, waiting for you to move into it.
Call her now.
Yeah.
So thank you for watching Walkthrough Wednesday, brought to you by the award-winning developers of Nocatee, the Park Group. Thanks for watching.
Bye.